Fiery Send To plugins allow you to design graphics in your favorite applications, such as the Adobe Creative Cloud or CorelDRAW, and seamlessly send the completed files to any one of Fiery's products. After installing your Fiery product, the Send To plugins are automatically installed in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and CorelDRAW, provided you already have these programs installed on your machine. If you install one of these design applications later, you can run the Fiery software installer again and install only the plugins. Send To plugins allow you to avoid issues with cumbersome file import and export processes, and reduce the possibility of file corruption due to incompatible files from different applications. With direct transfer of your graphics from your design application to a Fiery queue, you can speed up your production, allowing for a faster job turnaround. After sending your graphics from another application, you'll see it in your previously selected queue when you open your Fiery software. Send To plugins support current as well as legacy versions of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Take advantage of the Send To plugin feature today and improve your workflow from start to finish.